Came here for both the system and the hot water heater was not working. Came downstairs and had the homeowner check to see if anything was powering on. Come to find out that it's a gas water heater and a gas furnace, and furnace was on a lockout, indicating that there was no ignition. And so come to find out, it came here and looks like it's off there. The gas service was interrupted, or someone closed that off for a reason. So I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to have them call the gas company and then have them call me back when they need me to check the gas furnace. So squeeze by here. So this is the water heater here. It's pretty old. Here's the furnace here. So as you can see, I counted the number of flashes and it gave me, I don't know if you can see, but it gave me code 14, which is ignition lockout. So that explains it. Explains why it's cold. So all I did was just open that up, made sure this was open and didn't smell any gas. So this will be to be continued.